Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to put editor in Instagram bio. So let's just begin. So as you can see here that we are already inside in our Instagram profile. So to put editor in the Instagram bio, first of all, what you have to do, we have to tap on these three lines that we have on the top right corner. And here we have to scroll down. You will be able to see the option of account type and tools. So we have to tap on that. And here you can see the option of switch to professional account. So we have to tap on that as well. Now we have to configure our professional account. So we're going to tap on next. And here I would actually need to search for editor. What we need to do, we need to select the editor. And since we wanted to display this on the profile, so we're going to enable that option. And we're going to tap on switch to professional account. Okay, so since we are putting an editor here, so this is going to be a creator account. And now what we have to do, we have to tap on next, and I would disable this option, tap on next, and now we'll simply jump back into our profile, and you will be able to see editor below our profile picture. And this is how you can put editor in Instagram bio. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.